Your inbox is out of control. You know it. I know it. You see, the average professional spends 3 to 5 hours every week just reading and writing emails. That's 5 hours you're not actually doing work. 5 hours you're not spending with your family. 5 hours gone. And here's the thing no one tells you. There's an AI tool your company or even you are already paying for that can cut that time in half. It's called Microsoft Copilot, and most people have never touched it. Welcome to part 3 of the AI Edge series. 3 videos, 3 tools, each one showing you exactly what AI can do for someone our age. Easy, precise, and to the point. Part 1 was ChatGPT, career resilience. Part 2 was Gemini, live research. Today is Copilot, and this one hits different because it lives inside our tools you already use at work or in your home office. Let's get into it. I want to be real with you about something. When I first heard about Copilot, I ignored it. I thought, I already have ChatGPT. I don't need another AI tool.
I already have AI GPT, and I like it, Sonny.
But then I started paying attention to what was happening in the corporate offices. Across the country, people were quietly getting things done, responding faster, looking sharper in meetings. And it wasn't because they were working harder. They had just figured out that Copilot wasn't just another chatbot. It was an AI that understood their work context, their emails, their documents, and their meetings. And I realized if you're over 40 and you're still grinding in that inbox the old way, you're working harder than you need to. Not because you're not capable, but because nobody has showed you this. But that changes today. Here's what Copilot actually does and how to use it right now. Go to copilot.microsoft.com. You can access this on any browser, and if your company uses Microsoft 365, that version is already included. If not, the free version still works for what I'm about to show you. So here's the scenario. You've been in meetings all morning. You come back to 17 emails. Your boss sent you something that needs a response. You're stressed and behind. Here's what you type into Copilot. I'm a mid-career professional who just returned from a full morning of meetings. Here's an email from my manager asking for a status update of a project. Draft a professional, confident reply that summarizes where we stand and what are the realistic expectations for the next step. Keep it under 150 words. So watch what happens. That reply would have taken you 15 minutes to write, or possibly even more if you needed to go back and do some research. Copilot did it in 8 seconds, and it's not a generic response, it's professional specific, and it sounds like a confident version of yourself. Now, I bet you've dealt with this before. There's an email thread with multiple people responding. Summarize the key points, identify any action items assigned to me, and flag anything that needs an urgent response. So as you can see, that's 10 minutes of reading compressed into 30 seconds.
Really? Wow, this is awesome.
Quick pause here. If what you're seeing today is making you think, I need a system for all of this, not just one tool, then I want to tell you about something that changed my workflow dramatically in a positive and time-saving way. When I was rebuilding my income from scratch, I mean from zero, no tech background, never built a website in my life, I discovered a proven online business system that walked me through everything step by step. Simple automations, easy website setup, a complete roadmap. I'm going to leave the link in the description. It's called the Legacy Blueprint, and it's free. If you're ready to build something real online using AI and simple tools, go grab it. Link is below. Okay, back to Copilot. Here's what this actually means for you on a day-to-day basis. You stop dreading Monday mornings. You respond to emails faster and they sound better than what you would have written, tired and stressed. You show up in meetings
Linda.
actually having processed everything in your inbox. And your managers, your colleagues, they notice. Not because you told them you're using AI, but because you just seem more on top of things. That's the definition of relevance. That's what AI does when you actually put it into work. 79% of knowledge workers say that constant emails are the #1 cause of their workplace overwhelm. You don't have to be one of those. So here's your action step today. Go to copilot.microsoft.com. Free, no download. Open it right now while you're thinking about it. Take one real email from your inbox, something you've been putting off responding to. Paste it in there. Ask Copilot to draft a professional reply. That's it. One email. See what it does. And if you want a full toolkit, a simple guide to AI tools I use every day, all in one place, completely free, grab the Simply AI Toolkit. Link is in the description. It takes about 60 seconds to get it, and it's the best starting point I know for people our age that want simple AI without the overwhelm. The link is below. That's the AI Edge series. 3 tools, 3 videos. ChatGPT for career resilience. Gemini for live research. Copilot for getting your workday back. You don't need to master all 3 today. Pick one, start there. And remember, you're not behind. You're just getting started.